Hello and welcome to this special feature from Prudent Media. What is life without laughter? Everyone needs a good laugh. While everyone can laugh and needs to laugh, only a few people are gifted with the special art of making others laugh. Let's look at one such person, Goa's most celebrated cartoonist, Mario Miranda. So what is Mario's special appeal? The fact that he can make light of every real life situation, from the most tragic to the most chaotic to the most solemn. Mario can cast his spell of laughter. Talk about women? Mario is a master at depicting the free spirit as well as the sexual innocence of the Goan damsels. This, along with the ingenuity of the young lads to win their smiles. In all the hustle and bustle of life and movement, one cannot miss Mario's sharp sense of perspective and geometry, which brings out the architect in him. Mischief runs through his veins and flows out of his pen all the time. You'll find it in every nook and corner of his works. Certain elements of his works are a unique Mario signature. For instance, the indispensable bottle of Feni, whatever the occasion. The house cats and dogs that follow the family everywhere. The bold crow. The special liking for polka dots, be it a dress or sari, a bow tie or turban, or even a bikini. Shading done by crisscrossing pen strokes in mosaic patterns is yet another of Mario's signature elements.
What inspired me is the fact that I could draw. The only thing I could do in life is to draw. So I started drawing when I was 5 years old. I love people. I wouldn't call it success, quite frank. I wouldn't call myself a successful artist. There's so much more talent in Goa. I know my limitations, and I think there is much more that Goa can offer than me. Much more.